Hi. Sometimes you need to change your school year. You need to add days, you need to remove days, you need to shift some around. When you need to make a change to your master school year calendar, you can do that with a few simple steps in your Homeschool Planet account. And I'm going to show you how to do that today. First, you'll of course want to be logged in, and then you're going to go to the Settings menu and choose School Year and Vacations. You'll see a list of all the school years that you've set up for Homeschool Planet. Usually the top year will be your current year, but occasionally you will have already set up the next year. You just want to locate the year that you wish to change. And when you look, you'll see there are little arrows, and we show 3 months at a time that you can easily scroll through. The green check marks, if you remember from setting up your calendar, show which days you have scheduled classes for, and the red X's show days you have marked off. The days that don't have anything on them in the way of a check mark or a red X are days that are not scheduled. So in this case, I have school set to go Monday through Friday and not Saturdays and Sundays, so that's what I can see. Now, let's pretend I've decided we need to take off the week of May 23rd through the 27th. I can simply click on these days and it will make them not school days anymore. If instead I wanted to add a school day, I can click on a red X and make it a check mark. Additionally, I can add any aberrant or different days that I'd like, and to turn them back off, I can simply click on them again. I am going to take off today, May the 30th, since that is Memorial Day. So once I hit the red X, that day is now turned off. Then I'm going to select Save at the bottom of the calendar, and I can see that I had 2 assignments for that day for Juliana and Hope, and 2 more for Juliana and Matthew. If you're taking off a longer period of time or a day that was scheduled to be a little heavier, or probably a normal day since this is a light one, you'll see a longer list of assignments. You'll then have options to carry forward to the next class day and leave the rest alone, meaning these assignments will move to the next day, essentially doubling up, and nothing else will be impacted. The option to carry forward to the nearest day and shift the schedule by 1 day, which will push everything out, or the option to delete them. If you use the top radial button in any category, it will select everything in the category. If you select a button just next to an assignment, that will impact only that assignment. So I'm actually going to make us complete foreign language, and we're going to double that up the next day, and we're just going to delete this art perspectives class altogether. Then I'm going to select OK, and my calendar's been adjusted. That's all there is to it. Please let us know if there's anything we can help you with, or if there's anything you would like to see Homeschool Planet add. We appreciate you being a user. Have a great day.